stop? Where does it begin? Crocodile Ananassini, oh so wild, sliding through the jungle like a playful child. Crocodile Ananassini, hear his name. Once you start to sing it, you'll never be the same. He's got a ukulele made of bamboo, strumming a tune just for me and you. His tail's a metronome tapping the beat. Crocodile Ananassini's got happy feet. Crocodile Ananassini, oh so wild, sliding through the jungle like a playful child. Crocodile Ananassini, hear his name. Once you start to sing it, you'll never be the same. In the swamp, he's the life of the party, splashing around and getting a bit arty, painting the trees with the pineapple hue. Crocodile Ananassini's just passing through. Crocodile Ananassini, oh so wild, sliding through the jungle like a playful child. Crocodile Ananassini, hear his name. Once you start to sing it, you'll never be the same. In the swamp, he's the life of the party, splashing around and getting a bit arty, painting the trees with the pineapple hue. Crocodile Ananassini's just passing through. Crocodile Ananassini, oh so wild, sliding through the jungle like a playful child. Crocodile Ananassini, hear his name. Once you start to sing it, you'll never be the same. In the swamp, he's the life of the party, splashing around and getting a bit arty, painting the trees with the pineapple hue. Crocodile Ananassini's just passing through. Crocodile Ananassini, oh so wild, sliding through the jungle like a playful child. Crocodile Ananassini, hear his name. Once you start to sing it, you'll never be the same. Crocodile Ananassini, oh so wild, sliding through the jungle like a playful child. Crocodile Ananassini, hear his name. Once you start to sing it, you'll never be the same. Crocodile Ananassini's on the scene, wearing a hat that's shiny and green, dancing around with a pineapple grin. Where does the fun stop? Where does it begin? Crocodile Ananassini, oh so wild, sliding through the jungle like a playful child. Crocodile Ananassini, hear his name. Once you start to sing it, you'll never be the same. He's got a ukulele made of bamboo, strumming a tune just for me and you. His tail's a metronome tapping the beat. Crocodile Ananassini's got happy feet. sing. In the swamp, he's the life of the party, splashing around and getting a bit arty, painting the trees with a pineapple hue. Crocodile Ananassini's just passing through. Crocodile Ananassini, oh so wild, sliding through the jungle like a playful child. Crocodile Ananassini, hear his name. Once you start to sing it, you'll never be the same. Hear his name. Once you start to sing it, you'll never be the same. In the swamp, he's the life of the party, splashing around and getting a bit arty, painting the trees with a pineapple hue. Crocodile Ananassini's just passing through. Crocodile Ananassini, oh so wild, sliding through the jungle like a playful child. Crocodile Ananassini, hear his name. Once you start to sing it, you'll never be the same. Crocodile Ananassini, oh so wild, sliding through the jungle like a playful child. Crocodile Ananassini, hear his name. Once you start to sing it, you'll never be the same.